Let's work with the third problem, guys. Here, I've got to find the square root of the given number to approximation of second digit. All right. So for that, we need to have at least 3 digits after the decimal point. So for that, let's say you have 34.158. It means I need to have at least 3 pairs after the decimal. So 1 pair. So that should be the second pair and the third pair. Okay, and that is in the integer part, the 1 pair only. So let's go ahead and start the problem. The first thing to do here is to find the square number less than 34. That is nothing but 5 squared. That is 5 times 5 is 25. That's what you have. You get a 9 here. Okay, take 15 down there. You add this 5, add a 5, you get a 10. Okay, I gotta write something here so that I get 9 close to something close to 915. Right, so it goes like 1. Right, what should I write here? Can I write 1? I get like 101, which is pretty small compared to 915. So can I write 8? So 108 and 8 is like 664. 6 up here, 6, and that is 8. 864. All right, can I take 9 and check? So 109 and 9. I'm just writing a 9 and 9 here. That is 81. There's 8 up. That is 8 again. It's like 981 is bigger than this. So my choice is this guy. All right. So that is too small. That is big. Not happening. My choice is this guy. That is 8. So I can write 8 here. 8 here. All right. So before I do that, I need to take this point here because I took 15 down here. I need to take the decimal. So we forgot that. Good enough. So very nice. So I have 864, and if I subtract this, I get a 1 here. And with the 11, I'm just saying this guy is like 5, and that's it. Okay. Whereas I think 51. So take 80 down there. So what's the next thing to do? Is just to write this 8 once again. Add this guy, so get a 6, 1. That is nothing but 1 itself, and 116 what you have, right? Good. So what I fill here, I should fill it here also. So what is that now? So I get 116. Who's this guy? Can I write 1? That'll be too small because I need something like 5,180. So let's try with 4. So what do you get? 4, 4 is 16, 6, 1, 4, 6 is 24, 5, 2, 4, and 6, and 4. So that guy is pretty close. Isn't it? I cannot take 5. If I take 5, it'll exceed 5,000. So not happening. So let's take 4 here and 4 here. And what I get here is 4, 6, 5, 6, and get a 4 down here. Okay, that is like 6, 7 is 6, 2 here, and you get 5. Okay, 524. Good. So what's the next thing? Pull down the second, that is the next 2 zeros. Okay, and add this 4 here with this guy. You get a 8, you get a 6, and 1, 1. So I write something here now. Let's go ahead. So I have a 1, 1, 6, 8, and I gotta write something at this point. All right. So here and here, the same digit has to come. So what is that? So what is that? Can I take 1 and 1? So it goes like 11681, which is like 11,068. What I have is 52,400. So can I increase the number? So can you think of a bigger number? Let's say 1168. Let me take 4 again this time. See what you get. 4, 4 is 16. 1. 4, 8 is 32, and that is 33. 3 up here, that is 24, and 7, 2 up here. 4, that is 6, and 4. So yeah, you have 46,736, which is close to that. So I think 4 would do good here also. Okay, so you have like 46 and 736. Okay, good. Whatever comes here, I'm not interested because I just need to approximate this guy. 5.844. Right, I approximate this to the second digit. It means I just need 3 digits after the decimal. So good enough. So right, I will check this guy. 4 is less than 5, so I just discard this guy. So the answer is 5.84. It means the square root of, that is 34.158 to approximation of second digit is nothing but 5.84. Just because this 4 was less than 5, I just discard this guy and just write the first 2 digits after the decimal point. That is it. Okay.